parents, pastors, and citizens, all of us, Christians and non-Christians, Democrats and Republicans.
We all know something is very wrong and very dangerous that is happening.
Yeah.
Like, how do we find a better way to say, like, yeah, we're not the only ones that are like tired of feeling like we can't connect on this human level, and like we almost don't have a choice with how much like social media and how much information is being thrown at us, but we do have a choice with how we receive it and how we research that and how we regulate that to make it more understandable for not just us, but for different generations to have a better communication.
What is neighbors not numbers? Most folks don't even understand what an algorithm is, let alone how algorithms are already replacing human judgment in inaccurate, discriminatory, and unconstitutional ways that are already affecting citizens of all walks of life. Which is why the IDH has spent the last 18 months building diverse, bipartisan coalitions of academics, advocates, lawyers, programmers, politicians, advocates, and educators to help communities and companies get on the same page when thinking and talking about algorithmic assessment, regulation, and reform. We call this Neighbors Not Numbers.